Hi, Pat Gage here from the Commercial Real Estate Investing Mastermind. Have you ever driven by a building or a nice house and asked yourself, wow, what does that guy or girl do for a living? How did they get that building? How do you buy a multifamily building or a self-storage building or even cell towers or billboards? If you want to have those kind of questions answered, you have those kind of questions. I know other people do, and I know I do. So please join me on my commercial real estate investing mastermind and get those questions answered. Bring your questions. That's the purpose of a mastermind, is to have many minds be one to get those questions answered. Now, these masterminds are held bi-weekly on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern. In fact, the next one coming up is May 19th, and one of my special guests, Grant Warrington, is going to be on, and he's going to talk to us about his journey from quitting one W-2 job to quitting a second W-2 job to now being in real estate full-time with his wife, and he owns 41 units. I know I've got some questions I want to ask him, and I'm sure you do too. So please join me on this one here on May 19th, but also go to the link below in the video description and sign up for other masterminds. Again, they're bi-weekly on Wednesdays, 7 p.m. Eastern, and I look forward to having you there, and I look forward to hearing your questions and your comments. Thanks much. We'll see you later, folks.